A muffin factory has 902 muffins currently being mixed and baked. Another 991 muffins are already done. About how many muffins is that in all? So what we're going to do is estimate how many total muffins we're going to have. So I'm looking at that number 902. Now, estimating that, I'm going to think, all right, well, 902 is almost 900. So I'm going to estimate you to be 900. I'm going to estimate 991 to be about 1,000. So what I want to do is I want to add 900 to 1,000. When you add numbers, make sure the place values are all lined up. So I made sure that they were. 0 and 0 are nothing. 0 and 0 are nothing. 9 plus 0 is 9. And then 1 all alone is 1. So I end up with about 1,900. So about how many muffins is that in all? About 1,900 muffins.